Hey, good afternoon everybody. Happens to be one of our 408 Windsor Strokers, 450 edition, made over 500 horsepower. Again, to me, if you're going to build a small block, the Windsor is a good base model. Whether it's a 408, 427, we love the Windsor bases when it comes to the small block. We love them all, but dollar for dollar, this has some good bang for its buck. Again, it's over 500 horsepower. It's phenomenal. And again, we're almost running almost 100% EFI units on all our motors now. It is the way to go. So again, when you do call us and purchase a motor, really think about the extra couple bucks to put an EFI system on it, because it's going to have a nice simple start. Once this thing is done learning, and Matt tunes it beautifully, but once it's done learning, getting that car started up, high RPM, comes right down to where you have it set. Air-fuel ratios stay perfect. It's a phenomenal setup. Everybody loves it. We love it. That's the way to go with the old hot rods now. Hey, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940.